My dear students, now you will see about modern method of vegetative reproduction or modern method of, in general, reproduction. The modern method of reproduction consists of that follows plant tissue culture method. Plant tissue culture method or tissue culture method is followed in the modern propagation of modern method of propagation of plants. Survey is called tissue culture, a survey is called micropropagation. When a cell, single cell or tissue or small pieces of vegetative structures are taken and culture in the culture medium under aseptic condition that will grow into a new plant, that is called micropropagation. It is a method of regeneration of a whole plant from a single cell. Micropropagation method is one of the modern methods to propagate plants. There are some advantages of modern method of reproduction. There are several methods, there are several advantages in this modern method. First, we can say plants with desired characteristics can be multiplied rapidly in a short period. Plants So, the plants with all the desired qualities, with all the desired characteristic feature can be multiplied rapidly. That is very important, with a short period. In a very short period, rapidly those plants can be multiplied. And the newly produced plants, all the plants are genetically uniform. All are similar. All are having same characteristic feature. Third one, at any time, at any season, plants can be propagated. No restricted period. In all the season, in all the period, plants can be propagated by this modern method. And the plants, this method is followed in the plants which will not produce viable seeds. Some of the plants will not produce viable seeds. Say for example, the Musa plant, banana plant will not produce viable seeds. The seeds will not germinate at any time. In that cases, the Musa plant cannot be regenerated through seeds, cannot be propagated through seeds. So in that cases, this tissue culture method or micropropagation method will be very useful. Then, very rare plants and endangered plants can be propagated. This is the only method by which we can produce the rare plants and also endangered plants. Then disease-free plants. This is the only method by which we can propagate disease-free plants. Most of the plants are infected with fungus, fungi, bacteria and virus. They produce disease in many plants. Microorganism will cause disease in most of the plants. But by this method, we can produce, regenerate virus-free plants by this method, meristem culture method. By using this culture method, meristem culture method, it is possible to produce virus-free plants. Finally, the genetically modified plants can be propagated. Genetically modified plants means if you alter the genotype, gene condition of the plant by inserting a gene from another plant, if you select the gene from another plant and inserted those desired gene into one plant, that plant is considered as the genetically modified plant. Genetically modified plant can be cultured by tissue culture method. So these are all considered as advantages of modern method of reproduction. So that is.